Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Heeral, and today I'm going to share how to make Indo-Chinese Manchurian recipe. Let's get started. Here I've taken 1 cup of cabbage. Into the cabbage I'm going to add 1 medium sized finely chopped onion and 1 medium sized finely chopped green chili. If you want you can add your favorite veggies, for example spring onion or carrots as well. But here I'm making a cabbage Manchurian. Into this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. It will give a really nice taste. With half a tablespoon of black pepper powder and half a tablespoon of salt or as per your taste, and give it all a good mix. Now for binding purpose I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. You can also use maida in this recipe. With 2 tablespoons of corn flour and give it all a good mix. The quantity of corn flour and wheat flour may depend on the moisture content of your veggies, so it can take a little more or little less. We need to make a soft dough out of this, and once you are done we need to make some small roundels from this. You don't have to be really perfect for making these roundels. It can be a little spherical as well in shape. Now as you can see my Manchurian balls are all ready, and now I'm going to deep fry them. Turn on the flame and let the oil become hot, and then I'm going to deep fry them in medium hot oil. The flame should be between low to medium. I'm going to fry all my Manchurian balls till it becomes golden brown in color and turns out crispy from outside and soft from inside. As you can see, after some time your Manchurian balls will be turning golden brown in color. Once your Manchurian balls are all done, take them out on a tissue paper and let's prepare our gravy for the Manchurian. First, turn on the flame and add 3 tablespoons of refined oil in a kadhai. Into the refined oil, I'm going to add 5 to 6 cloves of chopped garlic and saute for at least 30 seconds. Then I'm going to add 1 medium sized finely chopped onion and 1 medium sized finely chopped green chili and saute for at least 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, when your onions are halfly sauteed, add half a cup of grated cabbage and saute again for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Then for more flavor, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt and going to mix again. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, going to mix, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce and going to mix again, and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Give all these sauces a good mix, and then I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Now for dark color in my Manchurian, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, going to mix it, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. As you can see, my Manchurian gravy has such a nice color, and I'm definitely sure that I'll have such a great taste as well. Tablespoon of black pepper powder and going to mix it. To prepare our slurry, add 1 tablespoon of water in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Give it all a good mix and make sure that there are no lumps and add it into your Manchurian gravy. Keep on mixing your gravy and eventually you will notice that your gravy would thicken and will turn glossy. And once your gravy is all done, I'm going to pour my gravy in a bowl. It looks so delicious, guys. I cannot wait to eat this. And along with the Manchurian balls that we have prepared. These Manchurian balls are soft from inside and crispy from outside. The best combination that you can ever get. And as you can see, my Manchurian is all ready and it looks so mouth-watering. The gravy is so glossy, guys. Make this at home, and for more such Indo-Chinese recipes, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.